guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, I'm going to share to you up-and-coming Louis Vuitton bags. Prices, SKU, launch date, and features will be featured here. So ready your phone to take a screenshot and kindly check with your CAs for availabilities and pre-orders. So I'm inviting you to please watch until the end of our episode. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account that's @Rabira52 for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. Happy Louis Vuitton Day, guys! I'm very happy to share upcoming bags from LV. I will be sharing all the By the Pool 2024 collection from bags SLGs that will be launching May 2024. Prices, SKU, features, launch dates are all included. Kindly take a screenshot, and for orders and availability, please check with your CAs. Happy shopping, guys! Alright, so let us begin. So the very first one from the By the Pool 2024 collection, we have Neo Noe size BB. The collection would be launching May 23rd, 2024. Price of this one is €2,000 or 2,480. It will have two colorways. So the first one is in coral. As you're going to see, it comes like with the sunset colors. And then we have the on the go MM. So the colorway of this one is in lagoon. Price is €2,650 or 3,350 US dollar. The main material of this collection is coated canvas with monogram prints. Some are giant monogram prints, as you can see here. So this comes with vachetta trims, gold hardware, and shoulder strap as seen in the photo. Then we have Speedy 25. Price is €2,000 or 2,460 USD. We have SKU here. The colorway of this one is lagoon. Same material, and as you are going to see how beautiful the interior of these bags, it would come with the pre-treated vachetta with detachable and adjustable crossbody strap. Next, we have the Pyramid Bestin. Price is €49,000. We have SKU here. So this is comprised of 4 trunks, as we could see here in the coral colorway. Material is coated canvas with vachetta leather trims, and just how lovely the interior of this trunk, as we could see here. Next, we have the Carn Jane size MM. This is €80, so this is a good for gifting. It would come in 2 colorways. So we have the coral, which is the pink reddish one, and then the lagoon, which is this one. So this is still from the By the Pool collection. That would be launching May 23rd, 2024. So this one, so we have the Chilean LV tiles. Price is €1,100. Surprisingly, this chair is kind of affordable. So this is a perfect furniture, lounging like a lounge chair by the pool. What do you think of this one? If you're given a chance, would you add this to your lounge chairs by the pool? Then we have playing cards. Price of this one is €510. The colorway of this one is lagoon. What I'm loving about this one, aside from the card, is this mini like wallet that it comes with. Definitely, if you're not storing your cards, I feel you could use it as a card holder. Next, we have the Eventail LV tiles. So price of this one is €360. So this is a foldable Louis Vuitton fan in the coral colorway, and you're going to notice that the wooden slats, it would come with the Louis Vuitton flowers as well. So what do you think of this one? Next, we have the Neverfull size MM. First one is in the colorway coral. The price of this one is €2,000 or 2,480 USD. How beautiful the interior. It would come with a smaller pouch as seen in the photo. So this is the close-up of the colorway. It kind of reminds me of sunset colors. It would come with vachetta trims. Then this is the Lagoon colorway. Same price of the Neverfull size MM, 2,000 euro or 2,480 USD. So you're going to notice that the smaller pochette comes in a different print, like a somewhat smaller Louis Vuitton print. It would come with vachetta shoulder strap, and this is the close-up view of the Lagoon colorway. Then we have the multi-pochette accessories. Price is 2,780 USD. So it's been a while since Louis Vuitton re-released another version of the multi-pochette accessory. So this time for the By the Pool collection, and the colorway of this one is in Lagoon. It would come with two pochette. I'm seeing the larger and the medium size. It would come with chain and canvas strap. Then we have the Nano Noe. Price is 2,100 USD. The colorway is Lagoon, made of coated canvas with vachetta trims. It would come with vachetta top handle and vachetta crossbody strap. Next, we have the Felicia Pochette. Price is 1,670 USD. This one I highly recommend if you do not want to splurge on the collection. So you may want to check out the Felicia Pochette, because as we know, this would come with two inserts that is very functional. If you do not like that, then you can sell it so you can get a fraction of the price that you're paying for the Felicia Pochette. And then we have the Victorine wallet. Price is 710 USD. The colorway is Lagoon, so main material is coated canvas. It would come with leather interior, and it would come with gold hardware. Next, on the small leather goods from the By the Pool 2024 collection, we have the Zippy wallet. Price of this one is 1,030 USD. Kindly take note of the SKU. Colorway is Lagoon. It is made of coated canvas with leather interiors, but it would also come with vachetta leather trims like the zipper pull tab here. Then we have the very beautiful Kuzan PM. Price is 4,950 USD. We have SKU here. So the color of this one is blank blue, as you are going to notice how gorgeous the leather material is. It would come with a chain strap, and that chain strap would come with the twilly print By the Pool in the Lagoon colorway. Next, we have this very beautiful and rare Capucines Mini. Price is 10,000 USD. We have SKU here. The colorway of this one is sea green. So we are going to notice that they are bringing back the wavy designs of the Capucines. I'm not really sure. I feel that the body of this one is entirely beaded, and it would come with detachable braided chain strap. Then the next one, we have Speedy Bandolier, size 20. Price is 2,660 USD. The colorway of this one is in coral, so as we are going to notice, it would come with vachetta top handle. It would come with canvas strap as well. Next, we have On the Go East West. Price is 3,100 USD. SKU is provided. Colorway is coral. So this is the East West configuration of On the Go. It would come with two top handle. It would come with a round coin pouch that is fully detachable, and it would come with canvas strap as well. Then surprise, we have a Pochette Metis. Price is 2,810 USD. We have SKU here. Colorway is coral. Material is coated canvas. So it would come with vachetta top handle. And you are noticing that the crossbody strap is made of pre-treated vachetta leather as well. That is fully adjustable. It would come with gold hardware as well. And next, we have Horizon. Size 55, price is 4,100 USD. SKU is provided. So this is the rolling luggage. It would come with the same print. It would come with vachetta leather trims. And it would be launching same date of May 23rd, 2024. Next on the collection, we have Kipo. size 45. Price is 3,450 USD. We have SKU here. Colorway is coral, so it would come with pre-treated vachetta trims, top handle, vachetta bag tag, and it would come with fully detachable and adjustable leather strap as well. Next, we have Nano Diane. So this one, we have SKU and the price over here. It is from the colorway of coral. Material is coated canvas with vachetta trims. It would come with detachable and adjustable leather strap. Please take note that the size is nano, so this is the new addition to the Diane family. Next, we have the Pochette Cosmetic. Price is 730 USD. Material is coated canvas with vachetta trims. Colorway is coral. How gorgeous is this one? So again, another perfect addition if you don't just want to have a taste of the By the Pool collection, then you may want to purchase the Pochette Cosmetic. There, did you enjoy our episode for today? So what did you think of the up-and-coming bags from Louis Vuitton? If you have stayed at this part of this episode, kindly leave me a shopping cart emoji. I would really appreciate it. Thank you! So guys, what are your thoughts regarding the new collection? Are you adding anything to your wish list? Definitely, I would love to hear from you. So kindly comment down below. Before we end our episode, I'm inviting you guys to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here. So please click on this one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on my new Instagram account, that's at Ramir52, for daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank you for staying with me in today's episode. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please stay safe. I'm going to see each and every one of you soon. Bye!